So today I've got a parcel of some goodies. An Xtrons Android head unit. I've got the 6 meter harness. I had to buy that separate. Sorry about the sound in the background, guys. The washing machine's on. So I'm just going to put that down here. I've not opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. Now, I remember when I bought the E39 unit for my 3 Series, that had come from China, but this Xtrons, they actually have a supplier in the UK. Well, they've got a website, .co.uk, so you don't have to pay no customs or anything. So that's what it is. This is the latest model. It's a, what do you call it? Oh, going the wrong way. It's a octa-core. It's got 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, I believe. So let's all look together. So I think that's the serial number. Nice box, give them that. That's just the manual. Put it on the side for now. That looks like the antenna. Yep. So I paid extra for this. So this is an extra long cable because my sat nav is actually in the boot at the moment. So I need to run everything from the boot all the way to the front. So I mean that's the whole reason I'm doing this video as well, because my car's got DSP and the amp, there's navigation, CD changer all in the boot. So I've seen some videos online, but they usually just have plug and play at the front, or they're replacing a unit that was already in Android, so they don't have to run any of the cables. So in this video I'm going to go through the whole installation from start to end. Now, don't know what that is for. It's possibly for a reverse camera. Did I order a reverse camera? I can't remember. I think that might be for a reverse camera. Let's see. Yep, reverse camera. So I went for the one with the trunk release, the boot opener. I've had one that replaced one of the license plate lights in the past, but it was more off center. Well, it was a lot off center. I mean, this is not going to be bang in the middle, but it should be a little bit better than what I got last time with the license plate light. Again, no idea what that's for at the moment. Now this seems to be the bulk of the wires. Let's have a look. Yep, so there's a GPS antenna in there as well. Right. So, okay, so this is obviously a cable that goes into the back of the head unit. So you can plug in your subwoofer, your focuses, antenna, front. So yeah, all these will be labelled. So all that put on the side. We won't be using this, I believe, because I've already got sat nav in the car, so I'm planning on running an extension cable to utilise the existing BMW antenna. Should get better signal anyway. But if I do have to use it, I'll just stick it in the windscreen in the top corner. But we'll see. I don't think I'll need that. Some more wires. Plug into the back of the unit. Again, loads of wires. And then this is this is an antenna. Did I order this? Sorry guys, I can't even remember. I ordered this a while ago, but I had my eye on a lot of items that I wanted to fit, but I wasn't sure which one I was going to go with. So I think I might have ordered it because there was a Black Friday 20% off. So that's an antenna for the DAB radio, I believe. There. There's some USB ports. look much fancier. Got 3 this time. My Xenon one, I'm sure I only got a couple. There's some mounting brackets. Now, I know because I've heard in comments and I've done a lot of research before I bought it, and these brackets are useless. They're very thin aluminium. I don't know if they are aluminium, but they're very thin and they bend easily and they're rubbish apparently. So I mean, I have bought some better ones. I'll show you guys later. And then yeah, so that's a little adapter, I think, to change the connection type. And then some sticky tape. Put that on the side. Now obviously it comes with all these, and this stuff is great if your connections are in the front of the vehicle. But obviously since mine's in the boot, I have to run this. So put that on the side. That's the CAN bus. So that's what's going to help using the steering wheel controls. Get to focus. Why are you not focusing? There we go. Product manual. So now this is the main thing. I'll need 2 hands for that. Let me just lose this box. Actually, before I do that, hey, I've got mic as well. External mic I went with. The inbuilt ones usually don't be that great, so I got an external mic which I'll probably mount right above the sun visor somewhere. That's that. I'll move this box out of the way. See that? So let's have a look. Hopefully it's not damaged. It's upside down. The first look. I mean, the reason I bought this is because it's really close to stock. I don't like those screens that are fully touch screen. There's no buttons on them. They look out of place. Because I mean, it is an old car. And obviously I want to modernise it by adding some technology to it, but I still want it to look the part. I don't want it to look weird. Now, that looks very stock. And the best bit, it hasn't got no branding on it. The Xenon one had a big massive logo here. So then on the back we have radio, don't know what that is, that's GPS, that just shows about Wi-Fi. You can have digital TV, so that's where all those wires will be plugging into, one there, and then this, I didn't know there was a slot. That slot is actually blank, guys, so maybe that's an option in some markets. So yeah, that's that. Now what I was talking about was these are the brackets that I bought. They are specially made. They are much thicker, much stronger, very durable. I bought these, I mean, the only reason I know about these is because I've been on the Xtrons forums, and there's a guy in Germany that makes these. Now, obviously I bought the iBus. So I got the iBus, I paid for the license, the DSP and everything, because obviously I want DSP to work. And then the guy, I bought this off the iBus guys, is called the Resler interface. And they also sell these brackets, so I got it on a whole, I got a bundle of them, the whole thing. So this allows you to do a lot of stuff. So you lose any of your capabilities. I mean, I didn't really care about losing anything. The whole reason this was made was so that you do not lose the OBC functionality. So at the moment you can reset your miles per gallon. If you look on me, you can set like a speed limit. It'll beep, a bong basically to let you know when you reach a certain speed. You can set that. You can set the equalizer for the DSP, so like concert, and I don't really use it really. The reason I got it is because you can set daytime running lights, but you can set them as your parking lights. I mean, a lot of people would be like, why would you want to do that? But I like the fact that the angel eyes would be on during the day automatically as daytime ring lights rather than me turning them on manually. I could also have the mirrors fold in when I'm locking the car, I believe. There's a whole list of functionality this provides. I'll do a separate video on that once it's installed. So that's it for now. So I'll show you how all this is installed from start to end, which panels to pull, where to route the wires from. I've never done it myself, so I mean it's going to be a learning curve for myself. In my previous car, I had an E90. My elder brother did it all for me, but the only thing we had to route in that car was the wiring for the reverse camera. This time I've got to do the reverse camera and all this, well not all this, just that harness.